Good day, everyone. Assalamu alaikum. We were reading Determination. For 13 years, Washington tapped out his instructions with his finger on his wife's arm until the bridge was finally completed. 13 साल तक वाशिंगटन ने अपनी तमाम हिदायत अपनी उस उंगली जो वो अपनी बीवी के हाथ पे मारता था उसके ज़रिए उसने अपनी सारी हिदायत दी जब तक ये पुल पूरी तरह मुकम्मल नहीं हुआ. Today the spectacular Brooklyn Bridge stands in all its glory as a tribute to the triumph of one man's indomitable spirit and his determination not to be defeated by circumstances. आज ब्रुकलिन ब्रिज, बेहतरीन खूबसूरत ब्रुकलिन ब्रिज अपनी तमाम तर शान और शौकत के साथ, तमाम तर शानदार शान के साथ एक आदमी की फतह, जो न हारने वाला जज्बा और दिल से जिसने काम किया, जिसको हालात ने शिकस्त नहीं दी, उसकी फतह की शक्ल में खड़ा है. It is also a tribute to the engineers and their teamwork and to their faith in a man who was considered mad by half the world. ये उन लोगों के लिए भी इज़्ज़त की निशानी है, उन इंजीनियर के लिए और उनके तमाम साथी जो हैं, कि उनके इकट्ठे काम की वजह से, और जो उन लोगों का एक ऐसे आदमी पर भरोसा था जिसे आधी दुनिया पागल कहती थी. It stands too as a tangible monument to the love and devotion of his wife, who for 13 long years patiently decoded the messages of her husband and told the engineers what to do. और ये एक न मिटने वाला निशान है उस औरत, उस आदमी के औरत की बी के प्यार और उसकी वफाशारी की, जिसने 13 साल तक सब्र के साथ अपने खावंद के तमाम पैगामात को खोला और फिर उसे उन इंजीनियर्स को बताया कि क्या करना है. Perhaps this is one of the best examples of a never say die attitude that overcomes a terrible physical handicap and achieves an impossible goal. शायद ये हार न मानने वाले ख्याल का, न मानने वाले तबीयत का सबसे बेहतरीन मिसाल है, जिसने एक शदीद जिस्मानी माजूरी को पीछे छोड़ दिया और जिसने एक नामुमकिन काम को मुमकिन बनाया. बिजली गई, अंधेरा हो गया है, मगर आई एम गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू द लेक्चर. The study questions. What two cities John Roebling thought of connecting through the bridge? The two cities were Long Island and New York. What did the bridge building engineers throughout the world think of Roebling's plan? They thought that this is a crazy plan, a crazy man with crazy ideas. How did Roebling finally succeed in convincing that the project could be accomplished? Roebling finally succeeding in convincing through a conversation with his son that the project could be accomplished. What happened when the project was underway for only a few months? A terrible accident happened which took the life of Roebling and left Washington handicapped. What was the response of the people after the accident on the site? The people said, crazy people with crazy ideas. They also said, it is foolish to chase wild visions. Unable to speak or write, what method did Washington use to communicate with his wife? Unable to speak or write, Washington designed a certain code by tapping his wife's arm with his one finger that he could move, and through that way he communicated with his engineers. How did Washington communicate with his engineers for 13 long years? He used to tap his finger on his wife's arm and gave instructions to his wife, which she would further communicate with the engineers. So, for 13 long years, that was the way he communicated with all of the engineers. Any questions, any problems, feel free to ask me. Allah Hafiz.